Kim.
We're prank calling a parrot store, right? Like a store.
Yeah, some birds. I don't know.
Brandon, I have your phone number, so my next call is going to be to the police to report you for prank calling.
My name's not Brandon.
Your name isn't Brandon?
No.
Okay. Well, whoever you are, I'm calling the police.
Why are you going to call the police on my son?
Because you're prank calling me.
I'm not prank calling you. This is my phone number. My son had my phone.
Well, I have your phone number now, too, and your son has now called me 10 times. It's a prank call, so I'm calling the police.
My son called you.
You understand
My son called you 3 times because his parent is saying the N-word.
Well, if you taught it the N-word, that's your own problem. I don't think you got a bird for me. If you can't tell me what kind of bird...
It's a black-billed Amazon.
You didn't buy it from me.
How are you going to tell me? I bought it for my first birthday.
Because I don't sell Amazon. How's that?
I don't know. I bought it from your store, though. So how are you going to tell me?
Okay, call the police. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.